Hello, welcome to KnowledgeCity's course on beginning Microsoft Access. I'm Douglas Bush, and I have been teaching Access classes since 1992. Microsoft Access is a relational database management system used to enter, store, retrieve, and analyze data. In simple terms, Access is a program used to create databases. In this course, you'll learn how Access can help you get more organized at work, key concepts and terminology, components that make up a typical database, how to create your own simple database, and how to edit an existing database. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create tables, forms, queries, and reports so you can store, organize, filter, and present your data, and much more. Let's get started.